Why should you break the bank with an expensive microphone when you can buy this microphone for only $17? Unboxing and review coming right up. So moving on, we have the unboxing. Anyways, this box is very simple, so there's not that much to say about the box, so let's just get right into opening it. So what we have here is the bag that the microphone comes in. So I really like this bag because it's very good for traveling. Anyways, let's look right at the microphone. So what we have here is the microphone without the cover on, and in this bag we have the microphone cover and some converters for phones and stuff like that. So let's move right on to testing and review. So how we'll be testing this microphone is by comparing it to multiple other microphones. Anyways, let's get started. So starting things right off, this is the Boya M1 sounds like. As you can see, it sounds pretty clear for a $20 microphone. So now we're going to move on to the Blue Yeti. So this is what the Blue Yeti sounds like. As you can see, it's very comparable to the Boya M1's quality, even though it's $100. So moving on to the last microphone we're testing, which is the Xeon Lavlier microphone I bought in a 3-pack for $5. As you can see, it's not so bad, but the Boya M1 is so much better than it. Anyways, let's move right on to the outdoor test. So right now we are outside using the Xeon microphone. As you can see, it's not so bad and it's a little bit windy. Now let's move on to the Boya microphone. So right now we are outside using the Boya M1 microphone. As you can see, it sounds very good. So overall, this microphone is very good and I recommend buying it. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check out this video right here, as I think you'll enjoy it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.